I love my job. I think to myself, right, what can I achieve today? And also, it's really nice coming to work when you first enter, all my staff and the children have a big grin on their face. I'm a great believer that hands-on experience is necessary within the childcare sector. By taking the vocational qualification, I can also earn while I learn. I am an individual that is motivated, hardworking, and I do set myself targets. Once I've got something in my head, I do work hard and I always achieve.
What's impressed me most with Emma is her determination, not just for her own achievements, but also the way she encourages other members of staff. I not only have Emma as an apprentice here with me in Dechrau Disglair, but also other members of her staff, which she actively encourages, from catering right through to childcare.
I would eventually like to carry out my Assessor's Award, where I'd be able to support and guide students within my setting, cadwch lygad mas am y dyfodol.